Good morning. We're back in Flüelen, off to go to the second part of the path of Switzerland, Weg der Schweiz. So yeah, today it's going to be a shorter one than the first two segments. It's going to be 8 kilometers and 7 kilometers with about 700 meters of altitude gain in between. So I would say doable for a single day. So off we go. So back there is the train station of Flüelen, and we already passed up until Innerrhoden and Oberrhoden. So yeah, it's quite a few small segments here in the beginning. As said in our previous video, every single Swiss canton here is responsible for its own segment along the path. So yeah, some cantons take that more than serious, others, yeah, they don't really give a shit. So we just entered the canton of Brunnen, or the segment for the canton of Brunnen, and the towering cliff face just in front of us. That's just impressive. Like you almost feel lost below it. One bad thing about this side of the pass of Switzerland is that the large road up there is more or less constantly in the backdrop. So while we had quite a few nice bird songs on the other side, here it's mostly cars in the background. Luckily, on a few segments, like here in Aargau and just before in Graubünden, there's a few small segments where you're a bit more secluded and not as close to the road. So there's a few segments where you can actually enjoy the sound backdrop of the birds and the lake in the back. This wonderful contraption behind me is called the Tellsplatte. It is one of the largest carillons in Switzerland, and it was donated to the local authorities by the Swiss chocolate manufacturers. If you arrive here on time, which is 10 minutes past the full hour, you can actually press this wonderful big red button over there, and it will play a random song from the collection that is stored for the carillon. So yeah, every day after 9 a.m. you can come here and just play some songs for free. Luckily, we were just on time, 3 minutes longer, and we would have been too late, but we just arrived on time to also have the fun here. So down here it's finally really peaceful. It's only us, no waves, the sound of the wind. This is one thing I really love. If you're so secluded that really nothing else is around but you and nature. Back up there in the clouds, there's Kronalpstock. From there you can do one of the nicest and easiest ridge hikes we've done here in Switzerland. If you want to learn something about the hike up at Kronalpstock to Klingenstock, we will link you the video down in the video description to this one.
Ja.
So this segment is notorious for rockfall. So after strong rain and when the snow is melting, this segment might actually be closed off. So right now it's open. Main thing is just to continue walking. There are so many cool things in this area. As mentioned before, up there, it's Fronalpstock, where you can have a wonderful ridge hike from Fronalpstock to Klingenstock. We'll link you the video down below. There's also the Muottertal, which is ending here. At the end of the Muottertal, there's a wonderful cave. It's the Höllach, Switzerland's largest cave. We did an adventurous tour in there. You can also find the video down below. But yeah, Lake Lucerne offers so many amazing areas, and the pass of Switzerland is just one of them. So we're on the final meters off to the train station. We just completed the third and the fourth leg of the pass of Switzerland. Overall, 42 kilometers.